So guys, tried to make this video a few times. Hopefully it doesn't do it again. Alright, so I still got 19 packs left and I've hit nothing. Literally, absolutely nothing. No chromes that I've heard of. So we're going to hurry up here before my memory gets full again. By the way, it's 2010 Bowman Regular Edition. Not the Jumbo because I'm not rich. Matt Cannon, Zach Wheeler, Jason Worth. Matt Brown Chrome. Grant Green Chrome. I've hit a couple of those. Congratulations to my White Gold Timberwolves for kicking ass last night. Just saying. Hank Conger, top 100. Billy Butler, Alexia, whatever. Conrad Schmidt. My name is Conrad. I'll probably kill myself. Curtis Peterson, Chrome. And a Garen Cicchini, USA Refractor out of 777. These cards are literally awesome. Why did I just say literally? But they are awesome this year. Especially the refractors. So we're going for a Strasburg auto. I'll just take his rookies. Another refractor in this pack. Ryan Braun and Matt Gamble. Oh, another Chipper Jones and Freddie Freeman. Neftali, what the hell? Ivan Rodriguez, insert Charlie Leisman, Chrome, and Domingo Santana, refractor, out of 777. So that pack was loaded. It's kind of weird. Alright, there we go. Looking for my autograph still. Matt Hobgood, top 100. Kyle Ryan, Rex Brothers, Chrome. And Michael Moustakis, top 100. Matt Newman, Josh Donaldson, Chrome. Brett Jackson, and Thomas Neal. Roy Oswalt, blue, out of 520. Christian Friedrich, Michael Wing. Oh, sick as hell. Steven Strasburg, Chrome rookie. That card is nice. Very cool. Alright. Now let's hope my autograph is decent. I'm already happy with this box now. Chris Coughlin, Jose Lopez, and Dustin Ackley. Daniel Nava, Patrick Schuster. Two other guys. Josh Beckett, Roy Halladay, and Kyle Drabeck. Brandon Wiley, Scott Shaw Chrome, Jared Clark, Curtis Peterson. If I get interrupted again on this video, I will cry. On video. Jake McGee, Kevin Glosson. Oh my god, another Strasburg Chrome. Holy hell. Sick. Zach Gentile. Damn. If my autograph is good, then this is probably one of the best boxes I've ever opened. I know those things are super hot right now. Jorge Posada, Evan Munson, Julio Teheran, Logan Watkins, Steven blah 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 blah. Cole McCurry, Alexis Armasto, Casey. Oh my god! Strasburg regular rookie. Damn. This is probably how every box is, but this is pretty sick. And I know I probably sound like an idiot right now, but those things are selling big, like 20 to 30 bucks a piece, those prunes. Martishera, Conrad Schmidt, again, Leonardo Castro. Oh. A-Rod, Lincecum, and Strasburg. Damn, that's a nice card. Checklist, Felix Dobront, Domingo Santana, Bo Greenwell. Funny thing is, I only paid 65 bucks for this box. That's why this is awesome. Mike Stanton, Brad Miller, Cale Rowling, Evan Munson, Josh Donaldson. Grant Green, and holy crap, what a box. Sick box. On card autograph, very nice looking. Slade Heathcott. Super nice card. This is a very sick box. If you open this stuff, the regular version, let me know how your box was, because I don't know what to say here. Gustavo Nunez, Evan Amundsen. Because I don't know whether this is a great box, decent box, or average. Because I don't know how they packed them. Chase D'Arnaud, Casey Crosby, Garrett Anderson. And 2 rookies I've never heard of. Last 2 packs. Alright, checklist. Alexis Olivieris, Jared Clark, Cody Satterwhite, nice. Arvoldis Chapman, rookie. And the last pack. Oh, God. Nick Markakis, David Price, and Jake McGee. Checklist. Nice.